Hey, today I'll show you how to download and install a virtual machine on Windows 11. What you have to do is open an internet browser of your choice, like Chrome, Firefox or Microsoft Edge, and search for virtual machine, okay? And you have to find here Oracle Virtual Machine. You'll find the link in the description of this tutorial, okay? And you'll find the menu on the left side here. I will select my Windows host. Let's press on this as I have a Windows computer, okay? And the installer just started to download right away. Alright, and once it's fully downloaded, let's press on this button, and here is our installer. Let's open it right away and let's see what we have here. Next, okay, read the terms and conditions, then you can select I accept the terms if you accept them, then press on next. Choose where you want the file to being installed, in C or in D. Yeah, it's okay for me to be installed in the C drive. If you don't want that, you can press on browse. Alright, and let's proceed with the installations. I'll go yes and yes once again. I don't want a start menu entry. I want just the desktop icon, the shortcut to be created, and let's go next and install. Alright, it was pretty quick. We can press on Start Oracle VirtualBox. Let's close this. Alright, and this is the interface. So let's see how can we create a virtual machine now. Well, I'll press right here on New, okay. We have to name it Windows 11, Linux, Windows 7, name it as you want. Folder, this is where you allocate this virtual machine some space, but do not worry, you can get back that space at any time whenever you want. At the ISO image, you have to attach the Windows installer ISO. I think I have one here on my... Yeah, I have, but it's Windows XP. It doesn't matter, we'll try with this. If you're wondering from where to get a Windows ISO image, let's search for Windows 11, and you can find download Windows 11 directly from Microsoft. It's a good source, and if you press here on download, you'll start downloading the Windows 11 ISO. This was just as a matter of fact. Let's open our virtual machine right back on, and that ISO image, if you press on other, you can select where is your ISO located, your Windows ISO installation. Once you select that also, you can continue. For me, I will skip the unintended installation and I will press on next. Now you have to allocate some memory and some processor to your virtual computer. Well, for Windows XP, it's okay to allocate somewhere around half a gigabyte and 2 gigabytes of memory. I will allocate, yeah, why not, 2 gigabytes of memory. And at threads, I will allocate, I think, 2 threads will do just fine. Let's continue. Next, now we have to allocate also some virtual space from our hard disk, from our solid state drive, but do not worry, you can get that back at any time once you uninstall this virtual machine. I will allocate 10 gigs, why not? Let's press on next, and we can press on finish now. I can find my XP virtual machine on the left. Let's press on start, and it will start right away. Alright, and now with the Windows XP, it's booting right now on this virtual machine. Basically, I have a computer inside my computer, and you can do that as many times as you want. So from now on, you have to do the setup of your ISO image if you have a Linux, Windows, or whatever. Let's finish this installation really quick. Alright, now let me show you how you can turn it off. So I have opened this other menu which was on all that time. Let's right click on my XP and let's press on stop and power off. You can continue and press on power off from here, but if you do that, whatever you did on your computer will not be saved. You can also turn off your computer from here. So I hope this tutorial helped you out to install a virtual machine on your computer.